Jocelyn Morensic with Got Tec Richmond. We are officially 1 year old today, and I wanted to tell you about all of our accomplishments during the first year and what we hope to achieve going forward. In our first year, we have financed and donated technology to 22 schools and 47 classrooms. This amounted to a total of over $10,000 of technology equipment, which exceeded our first year goal. We would like to thank all of the teachers, principals, and students that we have met for their support, especially those of J.L. Francis Elementary and Swansboro Elementary, both of which we have worked closely with. We would like to thank WTVR Channel 6 in Richmond and Chelsea Rarick for the exposure for the news story about Got Tec Richmond. We would like to thank Donors Choose and Adopt a Classroom as inspirations for this initiative. We would like to thank everyone who donated to help fund technology equipment for students in the Greater Richmond area. A special mention goes to Karma Fakera for the recent generous micro grant. And finally, we would like to thank Tim Kane, Ann Holton, and Donald McEachin for their recognition of Got Tec and the inspiration to continue forward. Speaking of continuing forward, let me mention a few things we'll be working on to begin our second year. We will be providing technology libraries to at least 2 schools with the generous grants and donations we have recently received. We are also planning a big technology giveaway for spring, so please keep a watch out for that event. We will also now be offering Learn to Code days for schools and classrooms that we donate to. And we hope to donate scratch coding cards to several Richmond, Virginia elementary schools. Thanks again for your support, and I look forward to the second year of Got Tec Richmond. If you have not already done so, please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.